double step 4-hole Chinese wok made here in the USA. Certified product, NSF certified. In a second, I'll go ahead and demonstrate the certification for you. Let's go ahead and give you the dimensions of this unit. For the length, you're going to be looking at 36 inches. For the depth, you're going to be looking at about 41. And from the front of the unit, it'll stand at about 16 inches high. Now, you will be provided with legs for this Chinese wok, okay? The legs will be inside the unit. Now, for the back of the unit, the height will be different. It will be 21 inches, okay, since it is a double step. Now, you have total four holes. Each hole has 18 jet burners inside. For the hole, you're looking at a length of about 13 inches for each hole. Also, you will be provided with a gas regulator. The gas intake or plug is going to be located in the back of the unit right there on the left-hand side. Also, over here on the side, as I mentioned before, you'll locate your certification. It is NSF certified, BTUs, natural gas. This is going to be a natural gas unit. All the information is going to be located right there. In the front of the unit, you have your adjusters for each of the holes right there, so you can adjust the fire for each hole. Okay, it is going to be a stainless steel unit. Over here, also in the front, you have your waste trays, 2 of them in the front. Now, if you have any other questions or are interested in this Chinese wok, feel free to go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll have all the information for this unit on there, including the price and pictures. You can also make a purchase for one of these Chinese woks on our website. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, feel free to give us a call, and we'll help you guys out with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.